Alright, I'm gonna set up the camera here. Alright,
Yeah.
now I'm gonna press the record button. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Alright,
Wait, dude. Were we already on?
yeah, I think. I may have accidentally pressed the button.
My gosh, dude, you didn't even make me ready.
Anyway,
We're just kidding, everybody. We're just kidding. This is number 13 with Ethan the Boy, and we are making another awesome, amazing, one and only Little Big Planet 2 video.
woo! I'm
And
gaming
today
10 and
we
up.
are going. Yes, gaming 10 and up. And we are doing 3 games. We are doing Hurricane Edna.
Hurricane Edna?
Yes, Hurricane Edna. And Whale Encounterer. Well, Angry Encounterer. And we're going to do Moon. So that's it for today.
Alright, I think this
That's
is
all.
Hurricane Edna.
Yeah, that's how you get to Hurricane Edna, I think.
Hopefully it is. So, yeah, guys. I put it a little bit more closer so you can guys hear him and see more better.
Yeah.
Come on, over here.
Make you see there. You guys will probably be like, oh god, sucky.
But we are now in a new age of new stuff. And, yeah. I may get a capture card or something. I don't know if it gets tons of views. I don't think he's on. Crap. Oh. Hello? Where'd he go? Alright, hold on. We'll be back with number 13. Sorry about that, guys. But we're back.
And we are back with our friend, with one of my friends,
Say hi, you're on YouTube.
Marcus. Congratulations, Marcus, you are on YouTube. Say something to the crowd. And he says hi. And he says hi to YouTube. A nice, friendly hi to YouTube.
Alright, let's get started.
Alright, let's get started playing the one and only Hurricane Edna.
Bum, bum, bum. I like fried chicken.
Put your notepad. You like fried chicken. Y'all start taking some notes.
Well,
And so do I. I love fried chicken.
I've never tried it.
Go put in the comments if you love fried chicken, everybody.
And put in the comments
We
if you
really
haven't
want it.
tried it.
We really want to know. And I'm a really curious guy, so please.
Yeah. We're always welcoming for stuff like that. Great. Here we are.
And here we are in Hurricane Edna. And play one. Oh yeah, I'm beating you in this game. Oh yeah, I'm whooping your butt. Oh yeah. Gamer 10 up. It's just a storm. No big trouble. It's just a storm.
Oh God, I don't think this is a storm.
It's a terrible storm. That's what kind of storm it is.
Whoa!
That is our house.
Boom, boom, boom.
Oh God.
Come on, let's go. That was terrible.
We almost got ran over. Who these people are? Come out of the word something, Dylan.
Edna. Never heard of this Edna. Oh, it's a hurricane.
Yeah, but it's big. It's a big hurricane. Never happened in real life. These kind of hurricanes have probably never happened. A hurricane can't take effect this fast. And why are you running outside in a hurricane. You can die easily.
I know. You can die in the middle of a hurricane like this.
No, also, no in the comments if you agree. Ultimate Sword Slam.
So where am I? Oh, here I am.
Guys, don't step on the floor.
Oh God.
Yes.
Oh my God. What?
Oh my freaking God.
Whee! Ow! I crushed myself.
Oh, now we're gonna get hit by the jet. I mean by participate.
Ah! Alright. Ah! I crushed myself.
I'm going upstairs and going upstairs.
This is a high climb.
No water! The place is filling up with water, dude! You better hurry!
Okay. Crap. Hurricane!
Oh, crap.
Let's run!
Oh, crap. We're in the middle of a big storm.
A big... What are you talking about, big storm? It's a hurricane!
Yes, that's what I mean. Wait for me, guys.
Ah!
Man, when I stand onto that car, I felt a big vibration.
Wait for me! Please. Wait, what? Oh. Help!
Lizzie, where are you? Lizzie, are you okay? Lizzie, this is her house, and she said, Lizzie, we're coming for you.
No.
Lizzie.
I'm getting some real lag.
Lizzie, were you smashed by a tree? Were you? Lizzie, were you smashed by a tree?
No, yes I was. I was smashed by me. Help! I'm still down here. Oh, I never got to do that.
And we have survived Hurricane Edna. Is that tree of broccoli?
I know, right? Broccoli tree, yay!
It's the broccoli tree. You can eat it
It's the
anytime you want.
leaderboard.
The leaderboard. It looks so delicious. It looks like, hey, it kind of looks like a hot dog.
Alright,
But you're putting the mustard on it. Can't you tell? You're putting the ketchup on it. You're lifting up the top so you can put down the mustard, the ketchup,
alright.
the ketchup, ketchup, the ketchup of the ketchiness, the cat.
So much damage. I know, right?
I know, right?
Alright, come on, let's go.
You can't talk or I get to slap you. And you owe me 5 sodas. No, but plant 2 sodas now.
Let's go.
Hey, come back here. I'm gonna slap you. Now. So I have to say your name 3 times, though. I'm coming for you.
Come on, guys.
Coming for you.
Yay! Ow!
Stop talking. You're gay. Someone has to say your name 3 times. Well, stop talking. Because you're gay. Yeah, yo, gay, son. Yo, gay.
Alright,
Yo, gay.
so that was Hurricane Edna, but that's not all for today. We're going to do a moon, apparently. The
Alright, everybody. We are going to pause and we will see you on the other side.
Oh, yeah. Hello, guys, we're back.
And we had a little problem. We broke up. lots of problems, guys.
Yeah.
Just a little note to you. Lots of problems.
Well, not really. It's just for multiplayer problems.
Lots and lots of problems. So much problems, you're gonna... Lots and lots of problems.
Anyway, let's just, I don't know.